Hey guys, this is Matt from Spacetime. As a lot of you know, there is a proposal to massively cut the funding to a number of government agencies that provide critical support for education and the arts in our community. The Corporation for Public Broadcasting, which provides critical financial support to local PBS stations, is one such organisation on the chopping block. I just wanted to say a few words on this. So my first introduction to public television was, like many of you, Sesame Street. I think it's hard to overstate the importance of programs like Sesame Street or Sid the Science Kid. You can't do astrophysics if you can't count. And PBS programs help teach many millions of children that counting and learning in general is fun. I graduated to Carl Sagan's Cosmos, a show that without question inspired an entire generation of curious kids to become scientists. Public media is an essential investment in the future of our society. This is stuff that for-profit corporations can't and won't do, because the return on the investment is not in the next quarter, it's in the next generation. Forward-thinking investment is a key responsibility of government. Sometimes they need to be reminded. One way you can help is to contact your local congressperson or go to a town hall meeting. Tell them what your local station and PBS mean to you. Of course, the other way you can help is to spread the word. Use hashtag I Love PBS and talk to your friends about it. You can find more info at pbs.org/value. Let's help our kids keep learning.